The government on Monday opened up vaccination against the coronavirus for everyone above the age of 18 years from May 1st. The decision was taken at a meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the day. All adults will be able to take the shots as part of the liberalized and accelerated Phase 3 strategy of COVID-19 vaccination, the centre said in a statement. The decision came on a day India's total tally of COVID-19 cases crossed 1.5 crore with a record single-day rise of more than 2,73,000 new infections. The country's total active cases have surpassed the 19 lakh mark, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Monday. A number of other decisions regarding the flexible pricing, procurement, eligibility, and administration of vaccines during the third phase of the inoculation drive was taken during the meeting. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was admitted to AIIMS Delhi on Monday after testing positive for the novel coronavirus. The veteran Congress leader has been vaccinated and has taken both the doses. Singh had recently written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and suggested 5 measures to battle the COVID-19 crisis, including ramping up the vaccination and boosting the supply of medicines. The key to our fight against COVID-19 must be ramping up the vaccination effort. We must resist the temptation to look at the absolute numbers being vaccinated and focus instead on the percentage of the population vaccinated, he said in his letter. The Uttar Pradesh government on Monday evening refused to follow Allahabad High Court decision to lock down 5 cities including Lucknow, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Kanpur and Gorakhpur from tonight till April 26th in view of the rapid daily increase in coronavirus cases. The state said it would not implement the order needed, the court said, because the pandemic had virtually incapacitated our medical infrastructure, especially in cities like Prayagraj, Lucknow, Varanasi, Kanpur and Gorakhpur, because it had to protect both lives and livelihoods. Registering disapproval over the state's handling of the pandemic, UP recorded a record 30,000 plus new cases in 24 hours. This morning, the court issued a series of orders, including the suspension and closure of all religious activities and establishment and the closure of all shopping malls. The court also ordered all education institutions across the entire state to be shut down as well. All offices, whether government or private, were to be closed too, with exception for financial institutions, business offering, medical or health services, industrial and scientific establishment, and those providing essential services such as municipal function and public transport. Britain on Monday imposed its strictest travel curb on India after an explosion of coronavirus cases there, hours after Prime Minister Boris Johnson called off a trip to New Delhi. Health Secretary Matt Hancock said India was being added to Britain's red list of countries banning all travels from India except for UK or Irish nationals who must pay to stay in a government-approved quarantine hotel for 10 days on their return. Announcing a 6-day lockdown in Delhi from 10 pm tonight to 5 am next Monday, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that the move was necessary as rising COVID cases had severely strained the city's resources and its health system was at a tipping point. Delhi is the worst hit city in India with 25,500 fresh cases on Sunday and almost one-third of those tested returning positive. In the last 24 hours, the number of cases remain high despite a dip, that is 23,500 cases. Delhi's health system is at a breaking point. I will not say it has collapsed, but the COVID situation is pretty critical, Arvind Kejriwal said in a televised address, asserting that the lockdown decision was not an easy one. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.